I recently made a video that showed making a spark plug testing tool, a gauge tool for fine wire plugs. And I had several people ask, how do you use it? So I made this short little video just hand holding my phone showing how you would use the spark plug gap testing tool. Okay, this is how the spark plug gauge works. So this is the small size, the 017, and it slides through that gap there. This is the 021 side, and it doesn't go through the gap. So that means the gap is done correctly. Again, that's the 017.